Morning, you guys. It is a very quiet morning. It is Monday here, which means a lot of the things in X are actually closed. Maybe you'll find some restaurants that are opened and some shops. This has been my new thing to come out early in the morning before the rest of the crowd gets here because it's starting to get very busy in Aix-en-Provence. All the tourists are starting to arrive and explore the city, which is lovely to see. But for me, it gets a little bit crowded. So I like to come here definitely before the crowds get here, which is usually around 11:30 noon. So it's about 9 a.m. I've been wandering the streets and just taking a couple of shots of everybody going to work and opening their restaurants. So it's been really nice and quiet. I'm going to probably go sit and have a cup of coffee or tea and take you along with me.
I'm hushing the dog on the chain. I'm running up stones on the edge of the bank. Rally the troops for another refrain. I sing this softly to myself. I sing this softly to myself. I'm buried beneath the sand. There's no way to speak or reach out my hand. Watching the paper slowly unfold. Bracing for news that I can't bear to hold. While I'm singing this song to myself, I sing this softly to myself. Tore up my jeans.
Bonjour. Je voudrais un thé noir, s'il vous plaît.
Earl Grey or Darjeeling?
Earl Grey.
Yes.
Et aussi, vous avez pain avec le confiture?
I don't have.
Non.
J'ai the toast.
La tartine.
It's not a bread, it's a pain de mie. It's a toast.
Ah oui.
Yes, with a confiture and miel.
Mais sans miel,
Sans
s'il vous
miel?
plaît? Oui.
Just a toast.
Oui.
Okay, perfect.
Merci. I am sitting at Weibel, which is a great patisserie shop here in Aix that I highly recommend because you have a perfect view of the farmers market and you can people watch and it's really enjoyable. I just ordered a Earl Grey tea with some toast and jam because that's the only thing I can actually eat here. But they do have really beautiful, gorgeous patisserie, so definitely check this out. There's also a couple other terraces you can sit at, but I think it's the perfect spot to definitely come here and just relax and sit back and enjoy. Also, we do have farmers markets in Aix every single day in Place Richelme, but if you want to see all of the markets, you have to come on a Tuesday, Thursday, or Saturday, where you're able to see another market in another square, as well as along Cour Mirabeau and a flower market. But it is Monday morning and I decided to come out because there's going to be less people today. Also, I'll let you do some people watching with me.
This iron road I cannot bend, but my walking is lighter when I walk with a friend. I sing this softly to myself. I sing this softly to myself.
Ne me regarde pas, fais semblant.
So funny, right now, Paul just turned the corner. I didn't even know he was sitting around the corner this whole time because sometimes before work they have extra time to go have a coffee. They were sitting right around the corner and I didn't even know. So that was a nice surprise to see him, even though I came here with him. It's such a peaceful morning. People are starting to come out more to the market, but it's just I love Mondays here because it's so much slower paced. I'm really enjoying it. I'm reading a new book, The Midnight Library. I haven't picked up a book in so long. It's been quite a while. So it's nice to read again. So I've been reading this morning with my toast and my jam. Merci. And they're bringing me water right now. So that's lovely. A lot of people ask me what I fill my days doing, and a lot of it just looks like this, enjoying simple moments, daily moments in the center, preferably with not as many people. I just sat at the terrace for about an hour and just enjoyed my book, enjoyed people watching, enjoyed my tea and toast, and the simple joys of life. And that's what brings me the most joy, especially right now. The weather is perfect. We've been having lots and lots of wind, so I haven't been able to go out and shoot. And this week we have a lot of rain. So it's just gonna be a lot of crazy weather this week before the heat arrives in Provence. This Wednesday is actually my birthday, and it'll be my first birthday where it rains. I don't ever remember it raining on my birthday, but we will have rain, and I'm looking forward to my 37th birthday. It's so crazy how fast time goes by, and I guess just being in the moment and enjoying the life that we have, especially the book that I'm reading kind of like touches on that. And it's really making me appreciate. I still can't believe I've been here almost 4 years, and just wandering around the city, I never get sick of it. It's just so beautiful, so calming, slower pace of life here. I absolutely love it. And yeah, that's what I pretty much fill my days doing. I usually will go and sit on a terrace, enjoy a drink, and just take in the little moments, wander around. I always discover new things like statues or doors that I love. So it's really nice. I thought I would take you guys to Park Vendôme, which is a beautiful park to check out if you're ever visiting Aix. And it's really beautiful. So I thought I would take you there, show you around, and then I think I'm going to buy some plants to take home to go ahead and plant in on my terrace since spring has arrived. All right, let's head to Park Vendôme. This is Pavillon Vendôme. It is somewhere I definitely recommend if you're visiting Aix to come here. You could get some veg and fruit from the farmer's market, and then you could come here for a nice little picnic, and this view is just stunning. I absolutely love coming here. You could come here with a book. There's a cute little doggy over there in the dog run. Whenever I come here, I get those pinch me moments of I can't believe that I have a place like this to come to on a daily basis. It just is absolutely stunning here. And then they do movie nights here during the summertime. So if you're coming during the summer, try and check it out. Paul and I have come and seen a couple movies here, and it's really nice during summer. You could come and bring all your apéro, have a picnic, watch a movie, and just be in this beautiful park. They even have exhibitions here at Park Vendôme. I've never been to one, but they do have art exhibitions inside. But to be honest, I love to just come sit here, relax, and enjoy the view.